Okay, so now that the steaming's all done, we've emptied the pumpkin into the jar. We've also put ricotta and some milk in there as per the recipe. So now we'll just start to set this blender to blend all this up. So we'll just turn it on to start. We'll put the temp onto 80 degrees. We'll set the time at 1:30. And we'll set the speed on high. So once all that's done, we'll just press the on button and the blender will start its program. We'll just take that jug off, open the lid up. As you can see, everything's really blended really nicely in there. And last of all, we'll just serve it up in a mug. We'll just get the rest out with the spatula. And then you have it, your creamy ricotta pumpkin soup.